Welcome to the boutique inside the Hills Beauty Lounge Day and Med Spa, where you'll find a growing and beautifully unique selection of fashion and accessories. In this first look, you'll see our Still the One pants, the AFE robe, and the large Maya bag. This is the Waiting for Love sweater in green. The model is wearing size medium. Here's the lovely Paige sweater set. The model in this look is wearing the Emily jogger with the J Adore jacket in mahogany. This is the beautiful Greg poncho in black and white, complemented with the large Maya bag in red. In this look, the model is wearing the Lovely Day tank, Lovely Day pants, both in stone, and the white wheat bobby sweater. Here are the Sophie bells, size medium in cinnamon. And here are the Sophie bells in black, with the Listen to the Music duster and Maya small bag in black. Here the model is wearing an extra small Close to You brand dress. This is nice, the Yaya escape dress with the tan Camille bag. Here's the exotically beautiful Les Animaux sweater. Finally, this is the fun fuzzy pink sweater with the Maya small bag in rose gold. Be sure to visit the boutique inside the Hills Beauty Lounge for the latest in unique, high-quality fashion and fashion accessories.